For a while, I've been wanting to do a review on this Hakko FX-901. This is an old battery, AA battery operated soldering iron. So let me show you what it has in here. The reason I never did one is because I never actually used it before, because I was using some pretty crappy batteries from Harbor Freight. So I thought this thing just didn't work or anything. As you can see, and it's four AA's, two on the top, two on the bottom. And after using this Home Depot batteries, which are really good, I finally was able to make some good use of it. So today I'm gonna go ahead and repair this right here. As you can see, this tab is broken. Since I took the transmission out, I had to take this part off. It's broken from here. It's breaking from there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort of weld it back or melt it back with this one and repair that since it's out and I gotta go put it back. But now this thing actually with the good batteries works really well. I thought I was gonna need the I was looking at the one from Milwaukee, which is another $100 for that, but no longer need that since I had this one for a couple of years but just never got around to using it until now, which I have good batteries and it works pretty well. So let me pause this, let me sit up here. Okay, I don't know how well that's gonna catch that, but I'm just gonna turn this on and get a small cable wire tie and just kind of start melting. Let's show you. It doesn't take too long. Now, if you're using this to melt stuff, just use one of those copper, what do you call it, little cleaning sponges or whatever they call them, and just clean it. And don't use sandpaper on this because they do come with coatings, so you'll ruin your tips. So let's see if I can melt something here. Let's see. See, it's already smoking, so that didn't take that long. Try and get it just right. There we go. So you can see it actually works really fast, and with good batteries, it works just as well as anything more expensive. So this is just the bottom cover anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. As you can see, it didn't take that long to melt it. So now that it's together, I can go ahead and melt the what do you call it, the inside of it. So let me pause. So I'm gonna try and finish this. See, it's already melted together, so it's already halfway there. Gonna try without melting the carpet here, but this time I'm gonna melt the this other cable tie in here just to give me a little more support than just melting the original plastic. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this old Hakko, which I bought when Fry's used to be around, but I just never used it before because the batteries were so crappy that I thought it wasn't good. But nope, it's the batteries. So if you get a tool, make sure you get the good decent batteries, even if it's just something this small, because it does work. Just gotta get the right batteries. Is it pretty? No. Will I ever see it? Not really. It's on the bottom of a car, so. And this is just to give it more strength and fix whatever was broken. And not have any noises either, so. That's always nice. So somebody had broken it or hit it somewhere. There you go. It's melted back together, so that's pretty strong. So I'm gonna do a little bit on this side because that one's starting to break here. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, I'm getting there. Can't really see too much right here. Hang on. Let's see. There we go. Only thing I definitely suggest is don't breathe melted plastic stuff because that's not good for your health. Something this small, okay, I'll deal with it, but yeah, this stuff is not good for you. But there it is. I think it's done. All right, looks better. It's starting to break from there. All right, I'm done. My hand is falling asleep. Ow. So, see, it's still smoking. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna turn it off and then put the cap on. The cap, as you can see, has this tab here to make sure it's off smoking, but it's not touching anything. So let me put it aside to make sure it cools off without burning anything or me. And this is what's left of the cable tie. So there, let me show you here if I can. Where is it? Right there. So there's the fix. Let me move the camera here. It's easier to see this one. So there is the fix on both sides and the bottom right there. And as you can see, yeah, it's not pretty, but it's solid again. That's kind of nice. I hope that helps with the Hakko. There's a number here, 901, X901. It's an old one, but it does work. Just make sure you get good batteries for it.